ChatGPT can be used for summarize long pieces of information into short, proper, and clear summarization. Whether you're reading an article, reviewing a report, or studying for an exam, ChatGPT can help you focus on the most important points without getting lose the details. Now, what is the use ChatGPT summarization? So, ChatGPT summarization will help us to get a quick overview of long texts and focus on the key points. For example, you have a long, big article. Now you want to make it summarized. So, in this case, first, you have to paste the article in ChatGPT. Then you write, "Can you summarize this article about?" Then ChatGPT will summarize the content without losing the key points. And same way, either you have meeting notes, complex information, or any other big documents, you just pass the text in ChatGPT and give instruction to summarize the text.